Hello, everybody. This is Teacher Dawn. How are you today? I hope everybody is doing great today. Now, for today, we're gonna study two blending sound. Okay, the short vowel sound for add and add. Okay, but before that, we're gonna have a little short conversation. Okay, are you ready for the short conversation? Okay, we're gonna have what are the things that you like and what are the things that you don't like? Okay? You gonna answer, teacher? Yes, I do. And no, I don't. Okay, my first question. Do you like baseball? For those who like baseball, who gonna answer? Yes, I do. And those who don't like baseball? No, I don't. Okay, now the second question. Do you like tennis? Okay, others? No, I don't. They like badminton. And others? They like tennis. Okay, now the third question. Do you like soccer? Yes, I do. For those who like soccer, I think everybody likes soccer. Okay, that's wonderful, dear students. Now let's continue with the blending sound or the short vowel sound. Okay, we have the add. Okay, add. Okay, the first letter that we have is letter A. Everybody, A. What is the sound? Ah. Okay, we have the second letter. We have letter D. What is the sound? D. 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 Okay, now, okay, let's go with the vocabulary. But before that, we're gonna have to combine those letters. Okay, we have that word add, add. Okay, it's a sound. Add, add. Now, let's go with the vocabulary. Okay, the first vocabulary that we have is dad, dad. Everybody, dad. Okay, the second vocabulary is pad, pad. Okay, everybody, pad. Now, let's go to okay, blending sound. Okay, we have the d, add, dad, d, add, dad, d, add, dad. Okay, next, p, add, pad, p, add, pad, p, add, pad. Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, now let's go to ag. Everybody, ag. Okay, what is the first letter? Letter A. What is the sound? Ah. Okay, what letter? G. Okay, what is the sound? G. G. Okay, let's combine. Okay, we're gonna pronounce it as ag. Everybody, ag. Okay, now let's go to the first vocabulary. Okay, we have bag. Everybody, bag. Okay, bag. Okay, the next one is rag. Everybody, rag. Everybody, rag. Okay, now let's go to blending sound. Okay, we have the bag, bag. Okay, the next one is we have rag. Okay, rag. Rag. Okay, now that's wonderful. Okay, now let's go to chanting. Are you ready for chanting? Everybody? Okay, everybody says bag, dad, pad, rad. Okay, again. Bag, dad, pad, rag. Bag, dad, pad, rag. Bag, dad, pad, rad. Okay, that's wonderful, dear students. Thank you for your time. See you again.